This started as a product test, and somehow, it turned into structured revenge. But not loud, not dramatic, just sculpted. Intentional. First, I sketch the shape with a soft pencil and cream shadow. I don't follow the lash line. I go straight out, horizontal, to avoid folding into the crease. I add a black wing. Then I tap a bit of black shadow on top to set it. You may miss the lids with transfer-proof setting spray. Trust me, it makes a difference. I use the Colorgram contour stick, neutral and olive safe. Temples, nose, under the cheekbone, I don't overblend. I press, let it live a little. Under the eyes and T-zone, ABH Impeccable foundation. Applied like a concealer, light, precise. Then comes the star, Fwee Cushion in clear glass. It feels like water, and looks like light. I put it on the sides of the face, not the center. On the cheekbones, Braye Lipsleek Blur in Proud. It blurs texture and adds that velvet flush. I layer Coat Glokolor Chiffon Rose over it. It's a soft, cool pink that actually works on olive skin. No gray, no clash. On the lips, the same Braye Blur. It's soft, diffused, and doesn't sit on the lips. I finish with MAC Cold Spice Liner just to structure it a bit. I did have to blow up a cat hair before that, but we made it. This isn't heavy, it's not bold, it's just refined. And unapologetic Korean glow, real skin tones. For olive complexions with a plan, full product list is below. And yes, I added alternatives you probably already own. Let me know if you want the glossy version next.